let's learn how you can make your iPhone vibrate even on silent mode. So for me at least, this setting is set on by default, but if it didn't for you, just follow my tutorial. So first thing you need to open is settings. Then on search bar, you will have to search vibration and open it. Now it will lead you to vibration automatically. If it's turned off for you, just turn it on. Then go back to settings and find sound and haptics option. Then you will have to click on this haptics and choose to play in silent mode. When you did that, go back again to main page or settings and click on notifications. Then find up phone application and click on sounds. Then you will have to click on haptics and choose what haptic you want to create for your phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.